Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Right, so today I'm going to share with you all how I do my oil dung. A little quick and easy recipe. We're going to start by sauteing the spinach first and then add in the coconut milk, the pigtail, and then the provision. Right, so you're going to start a little vegetable oil, onions, garlic, pimento, and then the spinach. We allow the spinach to cook a little bit first to come down before we add anything else. We'll just cover and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Now that our spinach has cooked down, we want to add the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to add the pigtails, of course, some coconut milk. Can't have oil long without coconut milk. Hot pepper, some pumpkin, thyme, some Chadon Beni, some sprigs of thyme, we cover and we allow the pumpkin to cook a little bit and then we come back to add the breadfruit. Alright, now that our pigtail has been cooking for about 10 minutes, stir, and we're ready to add our breadfruit. Now my breadfruit is cooked already. I would have cooked it not soft, but tender enough that you can eat it. So you don't have to cook in the mixture here. You don't have to wait for the breadfruit to finish cook to eat it. No, we can add the breadfruit and add more salt to taste if needed, and just allow the breadfruit to cook a little bit in the liquid and then serve. Remember to try not to let the pepper burst. Right, now we cover and just allow the breadfruit to kind of simmer in this coconut liquid and spinach, and then we serve.